students, welcome to Vidya Mirat. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 1, rational numbers, and today we are going to do exercise 1.2 from NCERT. Represent these numbers on a number line. Now how to make a number line? You already know how to make a number line of integers. Now we have a rational number. Simple thing is, look at its denominator. Whatever number we have in the denominator, we will do its equal parts between the different whole numbers or the integers. Like we mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So 0 and 1, 1 and 2, in between them we will make 4 equal parts. So what does it mean? It will become, first number will be 0, second number will be 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. What is 4 upon 4? That is 1. Then 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4, and then 8 upon 4. What is 8 upon 4? 2. So like that, between every whole numbers or integers, you will divide those with equal partitions of whatever number we are given in the denominator. So when we are given 4 in the denominator, we will make it 4 equal parts. That means 0 to 1. We will divide it into 4 equal parts and write it in the form of a fraction. And we will mark 7 upon 4 as per the number line. Next, minus 5 upon 6. So it is in the minus, that means we have to make it on our left hand side between 0 and minus 1. Now when we do that, we have to make 6 equal partitions in between 0 and minus 1. So it will be, first number will be 0, then minus 1 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, and then minus 6 upon 6, which will be minus 1. So when we do that, we can easily count and mark minus 5 upon 6. Represent minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11 on a number line. So what does it mean? How many parts we have to divide it? We need to divide the number line into 11 equal parts between 0 and minus 1 by the way of minus 1 upon 11, minus 2 upon 11, minus 3, so on till minus 10 upon 11, and the last will be minus 11 upon 11, which will be written as minus 1. So from this we can count and mark minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, and minus 9 upon 11. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Now for this, let us make 2 in a form of a fraction. That becomes like we will be multiplying and dividing it with 10 for easy numbers. It becomes 20 upon 10. So we have to write down any 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So smaller than 2 means I can take it positive numbers. If it is 0 to 2, so there is only one number in between. So for that I have made it multiplied by 10 so that I have more scope of writing the numbers. Now from 0 to 20 upon 10, I can write down any 5 numbers from them. So you can pick up 1 upon 10 I have written, 15 upon 10, 10 upon 10, 12 upon 10, and 8 upon 10. You can write down any 5 numbers, rational numbers, which are in between 0 to 20 upon 10. Find the rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Now here, since we have different denominator, we will take its LCM and try to make the numbers same. So minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2, 5 and 2 is the number, its LCM is 10. So our new fraction will become minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. So two rational numbers are minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. In between there are so many numbers, and we can write down from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the numbers which are between minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So denominator is different. Let us make it same by taking its LCM. LCM comes out to be 15. So our rational number is 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Now denominator is same, so if you look at the numerator, there is only 11 missing in this 10 and 12. So that means there is only one rational number, but we want 5. For doing that, we can multiply and divide by any numbers to find out the 5 numbers. Here in this case, I am multiplying it by 4. So both the rational numbers will be multiplied by 4. We will get 40 upon 60 and 48 upon 60. So in between these, how many numbers are there? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So 7 numbers only we want find. You can pick any 5 from these. Minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. So its denominator is different. LCM is 6. Make it 6. It becomes minus 9 upon 6 and 10 upon 6. So how many numbers are there between minus 9 and 10? You will have minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, so on, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So many numbers are there. We have to write down 5 numbers, so you can pick any numbers between minus 9 and 10 and you can frame your answer. 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Denominator is different. Take the LCM. LCM is 4. So here I have made it as 40 to make our calculations easier. For 40 it becomes 10 upon 40 and 20 upon 40. So already we have lot of gap between 10 and 20. We can pick any 5 rational numbers from them. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Earlier we have done with 2. What did we do? Multiply and divide by 10. Same way here also we will do multiply and divide by 10. It becomes minus 20 upon 10. So we have to write down the greater numbers. So we can write down any greater numbers in a form of a fraction. That becomes minus 10 upon 10, minus 5 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 12 upon 10, 28. So many numbers are there. Endlessly you can write down any 5. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. Now if you take the LCM, you have 20 as a LCM. For 20 as a LCM, we will not be able to find out 10 rational numbers when we convert them into the 20 denominator. So let us make it as 80. Okay, so for making 80, our new rational numbers will be 48 upon 80 and 60 upon 80. So there is lot of gap between 48 and 60. We want any 10, so you can pick up any 10 from these. That's all for this exercise, children. It was very easy, very simple. You should know how to make the number line. It's an important question. Do watch the number line video to understand it better. Thank you, children, so much for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with my next video. Till then, see you, children. Goodbye. Take care.